Ah, hello again. Yeah, I'm still making videos. Yippee. So, I'm up here in the California mountains. And there are some days when the weather says, don't even think about leaving the house. Yeah, we've been kind of light this year. Just rain, no snow. So, anyway, what do you do when you're just not going anywhere? I got an idea. Beard. Um, yeah, it's a variation on something we did a while ago. Only this one is called Night Night Moon. Yep. Take a packet of instant hot chocolate. You know, the one with the milk in it. Add a little bit of instant espresso powder. Oh yeah. Terrible stuff. Just a little bit. You're making a mocha. You're not trying to stay up all night. Add a little bit of heavy cream. Whip that together because you want kind of what looks like a chocolate mousse. And then you throw in some booze. You can throw in some amaretto, you can throw in some Goldschlager, or you can just be cheap and throw in some vodka. The fact is, with all that sugar, chocolate, and coffee and fat, you're not going to taste anything. So that's it. We call it a night night moon for those days when God says nobody's going nowhere. That's it. Thanks. Bye.